What's up, Laredo? Charlie Clark Hyundai over here at the WBCA Airshow. When you're flying high, think Hyundai. Charlie Clark Hyundai, that is. Oralé. Come on, let's go. Everybody's styling and profiling. We ready to go. It's groovy like a drive-in movie. I'm just saying. Let's go. Y'all come on down to see us. Come on down to Charlie Clark Hyundai. Come see us. We're gonna show you some good deals. More importantly, we got some Hyundai. While you're flying high, come on, Hyundai. Let's go. You know what? This is good. This is a good crowd right here. It's a good crowd. I feel a good vibe. Good vibe. It's all right. That's what it is at Charlie Clark Hyundai. It's a full circle. Purchase a vehicle, we're gonna make sure not only after the sale, we're gonna make sure you're taken care of. So even if you come a week, a month, even a year later, we at Charlie Clark Hyundai, we're gonna take care of you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oralé! 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 All right, there we go.
Nana Pau Pau.
Charlie Clark Hyundai.
Orale. Amén.
Y recuerden, aquí en Charlie Clark Hyundai también hablamos inglés.